Hormones rule. Exercising more, that's great. Eating better, that's super. But they're not enough. I bet you didn't know that. Why might that be? Because hormones deliver most of the signals that tell your genes how to have your cells work right to keep you well. Let me tell you my personal story just in a nutshell. Looking at me, you might think I'm fine, but I've endured 15 major surgeries, lost 7.5 organs, 18 lymph nodes. You might think I wasn't exercising or eating well, but nay. Since my teenage time, I had heard you are what you eat, and my mother was an athlete. So from early on, I was a robust athlete, not just a walker, and I ate supremely. I was doing everything right, and I was getting everything wrong, until I discovered and sleuthed out safe strategic applications of hormones and really discovered the threesome. Hormones lean on nutrients which depend on the microbiome, which Harvard has now labeled the microgenderome, because there's such a lifetime crosstalk between your gut and your hormones. I put all that together in my brand new community. I have 18 books out, many of them on hormones. I was invited to be a hormone scholar at an estrogen think tank linked up with Tulane University in the med school, and I've hung out with all the major academicians and scientists who are doing such cool things, and I can download that to you in my new community in my 2 new books. Let me help you keep your hormones, watching your physiologic back, as hopefully in your life you move forward with joy and hope and cognition that's bright for many years to come, so you can appreciate and enjoy all you've earned and learned. I'm Dr. Devaki Lindsay Berkson, and thank you for letting me share with you in a little soundbite. Hormones rule. Bye.